Hello everyone, welcome back to Insta Famous Model channel. Keep watching. Let's this video, don't forget like, subscribe and share this video. Love you guys. Latecia Thomas is an Australian fashion model, makeup artist, YouTuber, and social media influencer. She is best known for sharing her fashion, modeling, photos, and videos on social media platforms, especially on Instagram and YouTube. She is also famous for being represented by the mood board talent agency. Latecia was born and raised in Melbourne, Australia along with her family and relatives. She went to a local school for graduation and moved to the University of Western Australia for bachelor's. However, she didn't complete her bachelor's. Being fond of modeling, she began her modeling career on Instagram by uploading her curvaceous photos and videos. Name Latecia Thomas. Nickname Latecia. Birthplace Melbourne, Australia. Date of birth September 22nd, 1990. AGE, as of 2021, 30 years. Zodiac sign Virgo. Nationality Australian. Profession fashion model. Latecia Thomas age, height, and weight. Latecia Thomas's age is 30 years, as of 2021. She is 52'93" tall, and her weight is approximately 71 kilograms. Latecia began her modeling career on Instagram by sharing her sizzling, curvaceous, attractive lifestyle photos and videos. In a short period of time, she gained popularity on social media platforms as her photos went viral and gathered millions of followers. As of now, she has amassed more than 1.7 million followers on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a like, comment, share and subscribe. Love you guys.